Hi, my name is Skylar Hogan, and this is my video on climate change. Alright, things that I found interesting from the video. So the first one was pretty early on in the video, and it was these time-lapse pictures of ice caps. So there was a camera that was put on bedrock, and every half hour to hour it'd take pictures of the ice, and they did this for I forget how many years they said it was for, but as you can see, the ice has pretty much completely disappeared from the first picture to the second picture. The next thing I thought was interesting was how small the atmosphere really is. So they sent a camera up into the air with a balloon. I think it was a hot air balloon, a small one. And it only took the balloon 25 minutes to reach the end of the breathable atmosphere. And in less than a half hour, so just a few minutes later, the balloon was essentially in space. Alrighty, and then the next thing was how common asthma is in places with very high pollution. So the video went on a lot about how this family and the school that I went to a lot of them had asthma, and some of the kids had to go to the nurse 5 times a day just to treat their asthma. Alright, so initially I thought that using solar panels would be easiest for people because you just buy a solar panel, you pop it onto your roof, and it should help. But I looked for my house a few different places, and I would have to be paying anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000, which is pretty expensive. I wouldn't want to pay that right now. So some other things I thought were just some small changes that you could do around your house to decrease energy usage. So the first group of things would be to use less water. And some ways to do that, you could take shorter showers, turn off the sink when you brush your teeth, and oddly enough, peeing in the shower, which is kind of nasty, so I do not do that. But electrical changes, you could buy LED light bulbs because they use 80% less energy than regular light bulbs, and you can unplug things from the outlet when you're not using them, like lamps or fans. Just unplug them when they're shut off. And car tires. And when you keep your car tires properly inflated, it'll save on gas. So, these are ways to use less energy, which will make you less dependent on carbon-intensive power plants. And this will help the environment because it reduces carbon dioxide emissions. And a few of the things I do take short showers and turn off the sink when I brush my teeth because, well, it saved my dad money when I lived with him. I don't use LED lights because I just moved here and I didn't have time to buy any yet. And my car tires I don't know if they're properly inflated or not. I'd have to go get that checked out.